Hey, I want you dance, you and your friends, getting down on the dance floor, baby. I got some friends, they like some girls, and they got down and introduce us, baby. You don't know what you're missing, baby. About this weekend I'm knocking at your door. That's the feeling when we dance this day. When we getting down.
It went good. It went better than I expected. Yeah.
The feeling is so good, good, good. That's the feeling when we grind.
It was very nice. I think Gift has a very lovely voice.
Delete your pad, forget your age.
Awesome.
To the moonlight, baby. Hey, I show you this, you show me that.
Oh, what's up, man? Yeah, we're on stage right now. Hitting it live. The crowd is loving it.
Dance, when we're getting down, 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 ooh, and I'm in the mood, yeah. The feeling is so good, yeah. There's a feeling when we grind, grind, grind. Ooh, when we're getting down, 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 ooh, and I'm in the mood, hey. Oh, girl, I know you.
It's awesome to perform with Gift, man. What a guy. He's got heart, he's got soul, and I'm really thankful and grateful to be here tonight.
Oh, girl, I know you like my style. I know you like my smile. I know you like my car, but it ain't mine, it's my car's. Been checking you tonight with all your crazy friends. I like the way they dance, but it's better when they stand. So, baby, what's your name? I just wanna dance with you, you know. I just wanna get down, 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 down. But this weekend I'm knocking at your door.
Blown away. Like there are stars out there, but like those who are performing up, they're one of them.
My name's Shad Simon. I'm outside Zula. We just saw Gift Gwe perform tonight. As usual, I had a good time. You know, he's one of my favorite acts in Cape Town, and we.
Gift Gwe at Zula Bar, Cape Town. Awesome, good vibes, nice soul music. We really enjoyed the vibe. Nice one, keep it up.
It was dope. I loved it. It was real. It was live. It was entertaining. It was enjoyable to just watch. I loved it. Big up. I loved it.
My thoughts about the show, I thought it was great. I especially enjoyed like the soul aspect of it, more like in the art.
The show, I love. Gift is a great voice. It's so
It was good, and then we're happy to be here. And then definitely, if there's another show tomorrow, come back, man. All the best guys. Do a great job.